So let's take a look at some of the physical parts of mold. Knowing more about the physical structure of mold will help you better understand where and how mold grows, and how to better rid yourself and your home of mold growth and contamination. First, let's talk about the hyphae. Picture long, thread-like structures, almost like fine, delicate strands of hair. These are the hyphae, and they serve as the foundation of mold's body. They're responsible for absorbing water and nutrients from their surroundings, much like the roots of a plant. Without the hyphae, mold wouldn't be able to grow or survive. Next, we have the mycelium. This is essentially the next level up from hyphae. When multiple hyphae intertwine and interconnect, they form a network known as the mycelium. This part of the mold is visible to the naked eye. You might recognize it as a fuzzy mass of patches or growth on damp surfaces. Finally, we need to understand the particles that mold colonies produce and release. Many people are already familiar with the spores, which are tiny particles similar to seeds. They carry the genetic information that mold needs to reproduce itself. These spores are lightweight and easily carried through the air, enabling mold to spread and colonize new areas. If you've ever wondered why mold seems to appear out of nowhere, it's the result of airborne spores finding a suitable place to land and grow. Apart from spores, mold colonies can also produce much smaller fine particles. These particles can be much smaller than a single spore, can become airborne, and travel much the same way spores do. They can be composed of various substances, including fragments of hyphae or other byproducts of the mold's life cycle. Research has estimated that as many as 350 to over 500 ultra-small particles are released by a mold colony for every single spore that is created. So let's discuss why these fine particles in the size of 0.3 microns and smaller pose a risk to human health. Due to their size, these particles can easily be inhaled into the deepest parts of our lungs, bypassing our body's natural defenses. Once there, they can cause a variety of health issues, especially for those with sensitivities or respiratory conditions. So understanding mold and its physical structure is not just about satisfying curiosity. It's about maintaining our health and well-being. If you have any comments or feedback, we would love to hear from you. Please email us at info@healthyhome.help. Also, if you have suggestions for future videos, don't hesitate to let us know. We're always looking for ideas to help make our content more engaging and beneficial.